No matter how big or small your contribution, God blesses it and uses your generosity to meet the needs of others. There is nothing quite so special as that feeling of giving without any expectation of something in return. We are so proud of you. We've loved your songs and kind words. We teach you about attitudes of gratitude. And when you go home today, please remember to say thank you to your parents for all they do with you and for you. May you be blessed by the wonder of this beautiful season of peace and goodwill to all mankind.